Hello everyone, today we're gonna learn how to divide an angle into 6 equal parts. I'm using an 8 centimeters radius here and drawing my first arc, then using the same radius drawing another arc right here, another one here on top, and a fourth one by using this intersection right here. Next I'm gonna use my ruler and start dividing my angle. First I'm gonna draw this diagonal line right here by connecting these two opposite points and dividing my angle into 2 equal parts. The next intersection I'm gonna use is this one, drawing my line, and another one on this side as well. Next, I'm using this intersection right here, connecting into the point in the corner and dividing my angle, and the last one using this intersection right here. My 90-degree angle is now divided into 6 equal parts. Each slice is 15 degrees. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Bye!